Congratulations, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. His Excellency Yusuf is the Wike, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Rex of the Star British State, Life Bench.
Commission is SMJS and then the war and the rules for the use of the land and the name of God the Father, or the Son, and the Holy Spirit. This construction on all build of Archdeacon Crowder Memorial School. And I joined the rules and then the one probably a more local government area. We consulted and commissioned on my humble self, the governor of Rivers State, on this day, the 18th of April, 2023, to God be the glory. Thank the Lelewo community for allowing the contractor to do his work without problems. The Commissioner for Special Projects said some few years ago the road failed and became deplorable. He doesn't know this place very well. I know this area very, very well. As when we were wrestling, the Lelewo used to be one of the communities that they are good in terms of wrestling. My wife attended this school, and just like the chairman said, this school had produced quite prominent citizens of this state and this country. This road had been so bad, what I mean bad in all ramifications. And that's why sometimes, I don't know why the commissioner failed to show the electronic version of how this road was, so that people can appreciate and know what it is today. It was bad. My wife never allowed me to sleep. How can my school road be that bad? The bishop of every diocese, that's Innocent Odu, the single service to River State, will always be on my neck because the school is an Anglican school. But I'm happy that businesses have come back here, tenants have come back, no house is empty now, they've all occupied them. Again, this is promise made, promise fulfilled. I'm happy with what we have done, and let me assure the students of SMJS that even though it's an Anglican school, that does not stop us from intervening. Before I came, I told my wife, and she said, if there's one party gift I must do for her, is to make sure that we try to rehabilitate this school here. And that we are going to do by making sure we donate to the school the sum of 500 million naira so that we can bring up the school, because SMJS is a prominent school in this state and in this country. I don't know which school or girls' school that will beat SMJS a little more. Don't say I'm biased. If I'm biased, I'm human. So that's what we're going to do for them, so that the school will have all they are supposed to have. I believe and I trust the principal of the school, who is the wife of the bishop of Evo Diocese. And this is to tell the church the role of our government with the church. The church should understand those who believe in them, who trust them, who work with them. Not only when it comes to politics, people will now run to the church. No. And that's why I've told the church to be careful of politicians who would want to use the church. The church will always identify with those who from beginning have always worked with them. Not because when election comes, they will come and talk to you, is a Christian. Christianity is not only during election. Christianity should be done from the onset. You have to show that you're a Christian. I have never run away from the church. I said our administration will always partner with the church. But I know what the church have done for this administration. I will not run away from them. So I thank them for their prayers and for their support for the emergence of the governor-elect, deputy governor-elect, and the National Assembly members and State House of Assembly members. The church played a very, very great role. I will continue to support them wherever we can. And to thank the Lelewa people. It is not easy. You have been very consistent. You have always supported us. Lelewa is one community. Even when I started to talk about running for governorship in 2014 to 2015, Lelewa people have always stood by us. We have never lost in this community. And I thank them. And then you have a good son whom is very much dependable in the person of Ogundu Chida. Is a son that anybody should be proud of. Is a son that will defend the interests of his people. And these are the kind of people we must always give them the opportunity to represent this state and in this country. So I'm very, very happy. When I was chairman, Okechinda was my legal advisor. I moved with him to the state government. When I was chief of staff, he became commissioner and then left for House of Reps. He has shown loyalty that so much people lack. He's a son, he's a child that will tell you whether you will be hungry or not. He will never, never fail you. It's not one of these people, their leg is here, their leg is there. Okay, Chinda, it's not that. And I am proud, very proud to recommend him to anywhere in this world because it's somebody that can go home and sleep with your two eyes closed. You know, it's not this type of politics. It is rare to get people like that. It is very, very rare. And always wish God should continue to protect him, give him long life, so he continue to represent us, represent the state, wherever the state feels he should represent them. So I thank him very much for showing that uncommon loyalty. Uncommon loyalty. That's what he has shown. And I can assure you, whatever he asks me to do, I will do. And before I came, I discussed with the governor-elect for the parting gift for the Lelewa people. We will do your internal roads. I always say, one good turn deserves another. Okay, Chinda has done very, very well for me. I've done very well for the state. So this is my own parting gift to the people of Lelewa. I thank you and invite our leaders to join me